Hey guys, it's Kendra Ayana. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this really spicy fall makeup look. It's so beautiful going into the fall, and fall is my favorite, so we're going to be doing serving looks, okay? So please subscribe and share this video, and without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm taking this orange shade out of the Morphe 35. No, this is the Morphe Dare to Be Different, Dare to Create, something like that, Dare to Create palette. And I'm just taking this above my crease, and I'm actually pressing it, and I'm not blending or anything. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking a brownish shade. It's not the darkest brown, but it's just, you know, a kind of light brown shade, and I'm taking that right below that orange shade that I just took in, and I'm actually blending this one in. So as you can see, I'm blending it in, and I'm still kind of above my crease because I have hooded eyes, and it's like super hard for me to show looks off, and you know, for my eyeshadows to show. So I just take it above my crease and I blend until I get the look that I'm going for. So just keep blending and, you know, keep packing on colors that you want. That's what makeup is about, blending and making sure it's looking how you want it to look. Okay, so now I'm going in with the black eyeshadow in the same palette. All of these shadows are in the Morphe Dare to Create palette, and I'm still taking this same blending brush, and I'm just taking it right below that brown shade that we packed in before, and you know, just give it some definition, bring it out some more, and blend. So now I'm going to be taking this NYX Jumbo pencil, and this is in white, and I'm just going to carve out my cut crease, and I'm actually doing a full cut crease. I'm not doing half. So as you can see, just carving it out and getting it to how I want it to look. Okay, so now I'm going to set this cut crease, and I usually take a white eyeshadow, just a random, it doesn't have to be anything specific, just a white eyeshadow or tan eyeshadow to set this and to make sure everything is locked in place so it won't be creasing. You want to set everything that you know, use with concealer, or you know, anything that you use to cut your crease. You want to make sure you set it so it doesn't be any, you know, creases and lines. Okay, so now I'm going to take this NYX Vivid Bright in yellow, and I love this pigment. It's so bright, and I think it just tied the whole look together. I'm going to take that above my cut crease where I started cutting my crease at, and I'm just going to line it and just, as you can see, go with the lines. So now I'm taking this gold shade in the Juvia's Place palette, and it's just a gold eyeshadow. I love it so much. It's just the best gold eyeshadow that I've come across. So get your hands on it, ladies. And then I'm going to take a browner gold, and I'm just going to pack that next to it. So now I'm taking the Morphe eyeliner and I'm just going to line my, do the regular wing eyeliner, and I'm just gonna take this more farther up than I usually would, just so it can give me that, double cut crease type of effect that I'm going for. Okay, so to make this look even more spicy, I'm gonna take that Vivid Bright NYX eyeliner again, and I'm just gonna line it right below my eyeliner, the black one, just to give it some, just a little pop. Like, oh, I didn't know that was coming. I didn't expect that. So we're gonna, just make it a little bit more spicy. And you could just add your own twist to this too. This look is all up to you and how you want to create it. Okay, so I'm going to take that white jumbo pencil again, and I'm just going to line my bottom liner. And I'm going to take a black or brown eyeshadow and just, tie my whole look in, as you can see. Okay guys, so this is how the whole fall makeup look came out. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and I had fun creating this look. I hope you guys liked it, share, subscribe to my channel. Let me know what other videos you want me to do. Until next time, bye guys.